defined on n cross n. Here the speciality is that this n cross n is your mother set. And the relation is not given in the set form, but it is given in a different form. Set AB, the ordered pair AB related to CD implies AD into B plus C equal to BC into A plus D. So this format you have to just remember that. Suppose you are A comma B element of R we have learned, and equivalent notation is A related to B, where A and B are from the mother set. This is the very first beginning I have told. These two concepts are equivalent concept. So, when you consider the mother set A, you remember that one element of the mother set is related to another element. Or we say A is related to B, or we say ordered pair AB is an element of R. Here the speciality, the mother set itself is a cross product. So, instead of A, we consider the mother set as n cross n. So, this is your mother set, and an element of mother set will be always an ordered pair. This will be of this form, A comma B or P comma Q or C comma D. These are the elements of n cross n. So, up to now what you learned is the elements of mother set are A, B, etc. And you can use this format. One element of the mother set is related to another element. So here it is not ordered pair form given, but the second format is given. One element of the mother set. This one is one element of the mother set, and this also together is another element of the mother set. So one element of the mother set AB is related to another element of the mother set CD, means AD into B plus C equal to BC into A plus D. So this, first of all, understanding this relation. Next is Amara reflexivity. Before that, I want to simplify this equation for our convenience. So how I do the simplification, just see. AB related to CD implies, what was that, AD into B plus C. AD into B plus C equal to BC into A plus C. This what simplification I am doing is AD I am taking to right side. So we can write like this: B plus C by BC is equal to A plus D by AD. That means you get 1 by C on dividing here, you will get 1 by C plus 1 by B equal to, here you will get 1 by A plus 1 by D. Even 1 by B plus 1 by C you can take. One by B plus 1 by C equal to 1 by A plus 1 by D. This is easy to handle because AB, when it is coming, how you are changing it? And again you will just simplify this. A and B are together, no? So I can write it as 1 by A minus 1 by B is equal to 1 by C minus 1 by D. This will be easy to simplify further. Safe. You have to come to the mother set. Your mother set is n cross n, and your AB is related to AB itself. AB is related to AB itself. Okay. So in order to prove AB related to CD, this is a format which we are using. AB related to CD means this 1 by A minus 1 by B 1 by A minus 1 by B equal to here 1 by C minus 1 by D. Okay. So in order to prove AB related to CAB, what you have to prove? These are the working column. You always have to do something in the working column and then only you will write in pair. So in order to prove AB related to AB, what you need to prove? 1 by A, because you just study this. AB related to CD means 1 by A minus 1 by B. Here you just see 1 by A minus 1 by B equal to 1 by C minus 1 by D. So here it becomes, here what will become? 1 by A minus 1 by B equal to, this becomes 1 by A minus 1 by B. Now you have to go back. Go back means first you will write this and then you can write this. So 1 by A minus 1 by B is always equal to 1 by A minus 1 by B. This is true for any non-zero A and B. So for any AB in the mother set. So that means ordered pair AB, 1 by A minus 1 by B means ordered pair AB is related to ordered pair AB for every A comma B in the mother set. You are removing this R, what changes it comes? It becomes equal to. And when you are removing this R, this AB is converted to 1 by A minus 1 by B and CD is converted to 1 by C minus 1 by D. Abhi symmetric. Second, know that symmetric is a conditional statement. And how do we take the condition? You have learned in the first one, AB is an element of R implies BA is an element of R. But this format you are not using here. Is an element format you are not using, but instead of that, you are using which format? A related to B implies B related to A. Because as per the question, it is given like that only, right? AB related to A comma B related to C comma D. So second format only you are using, that you have to understand nicely. So this is a way you have to prove that R is symmetric. That means what is actually it is, you have to assume that one element of the mother set is related to another element of the mother set. How do we assume here? Let one element of the mother set. Here the speciality, mother set is a cross product. So one element of the mother set means it is ordered pair AB. This ordered pair AB, one element of the mother set related to another element of entirely another element. उसमें A और B फिर आना नहीं है, तो हमको दूसरा एक entirely different ordered pair ले लेती हूँ. That is one element AB, ordered pair AB related to another element ordered pair CD of the mother set in cross N. Now you will convert this to equation. How will you convert it equation? ये R को हम change कर हम इधर लेकर आएगा equality. और ordered pair AB कैसे change करेगा? A will become 1 by A, then minus B is changed to 1 by B. And similarly here ordered pair CD, 1 by C minus 1 by D. Now you always do something in your working column. What you need to prove? What you need to prove? The
Ma'am,
first
we need to prove that C comma D is related to A comma B.
yeah, you have to say that the second element of N cross and C comma D is related to the first element AB. So in order to prove this, what you need to write? 1 by C minus 1 by D equal to 1 by A minus 1 by B. ये ऐसा लिख सकता है, this becomes what? 1 by C minus 1 by D equal to 1 by A minus 1 by B. So now you convert back to that, this one. From here you will convert back, that is C comma D related to A comma B. So therefore R is symmetric. One is transitive. You have learned that two methods you have learned, A comma B, B comma C, element of R implies the transitive element A comma C element of R. But here we are not using is an element format. Here we are using which format? The other one, that is A related to B, comma B related to C implies A related to C. This format only we are using. So for that purpose, you have to assume that one element AB of the mother set related to another element CD of the mother set, comma, next is what? The second element CD related to third element EF. First we will convert this to equation. R becomes equality. Ordered pair AB becomes what? 1 by A minus 1 by B. Ordered pair CD becomes 1 by C minus 1 by D. And CD related to EF becomes what? 1 by C minus 1 by D. This R is converted to equal to 1 by E minus 1 by F. Now what is your aim? You don't want this C and D. You have to eliminate this C and D, so that you will get the relation between AB to CD. So EF. So how to eliminate that?
Add both.
Adding the two also will do, or substitution also. 1 by C minus 1 by D. This value from the second equation you can put it there. No need of explaining too much. This automatically implies 1 by A minus 1 by B equal to A 1 by C minus 1 by D का जगह पर लिखेगा 1 by E minus 1 by F. So now we will convert back this equality, that will be changed to R, and this one will be changed to ordered pair AB, and this is changed to ordered pair EF. So we have assumed AB related to CD and CD related to EF, and we proved that AB related to EF. That implies R is transitive. R is transitive. Therefore, R is, all the three we have proved, R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Therefore, R is an equivalence relation.